front of me is Lenovo Yoga Tab 11, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen on this device. First of all, open one of your apps that you wish to use in split screen view, like Chrome. Now access background apps. If you are using tricky navigation, you can do that by tapping on square button. Following that, hold your app and tap on split screen. Then click on the other one, like settings. As you can see, finally, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps to the side and tap on home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!